Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Chipotle burritos at home step by step. Start by prepping rice, beans, protein, and toppings so everything is within reach. Cook rice seasoned with lime and cilantro while heating beans and searing your chosen protein. Chop fresh toppings and warm tortillas briefly for pliability. Assemble burritos by layering rice, beans, protein, salsa, and cheese, then fold snugly and enjoy hot. Prepare rice and beans with simple seasonings for authentic flavor. Cook 1 cup of rice with 2 cups of broth, a pinch of salt, and finish with lime and cilantro. Simmer beans with garlic, cumin, and a bit of salt until tender, then mash slightly for texture. Keep both warm while you sear protein and prep toppings so assembly is quick and everything stays piping hot for serving. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps us make more recipes. Quick recommendation. I keep cooking comfortable with great socks. Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're oddly perfect for long kitchen sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals. And if you grabbed any, tell me below. Now let's get back to the video. Choose chicken, steak, pork, or a plant-based protein and marinate briefly for flavor absorption. Sear protein over medium-high heat until caramelized and cooked through, then rest and slice thinly. Chop fresh pico, mash avocado for guacamole, and shred lettuce for crunch. Warm tortillas, then layer rice, beans, protein, toppings, and a drizzle of crema before folding into tight burritos ready to eat or wrap for later.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.